Hello and welcome to Prego Coding Classes. This is Amber Roy, and in this video we will learn how to take inputs from the user and create a user profile like name, age, date of birth, gender, etc. And also how to upload the profile picture and take the profile picture from storage. So that would be in the next part rather, not in this part. So let's get started. So let's create an empty activity, new activity, empty activity, name it, create user profile, finish. After the layout is synced, just delete the constraint layout and right here in capital S, scroll view. So when the scroll view is done, we'll create a linear layout whose orientation would be vertical. So linear layout, match parent, orientation vertical. Now we'll open Figma, change the register text to create profile. So select the text and name it create profile. Once it is done, just drag it inside. This is fine. Save it or export it. First rename the group. It would be create profile header. Make sure everything is in small letters. Export. After exporting, just copy paste it in the drawable file. Select the drawable file, press Ctrl V, name is fine, it is pasted. So after doing it, create an image view with width of match parent and height of 150 dp as before. The source would be add drawable. Then let's find create. Let's just type create. Yes, I found it. Then the scale type would be center crop. So that's it. Now I need to change the background. So background would be color background, as we have done that. So this is looking quite good. Now we need a text view. So match parent, wrap content, but we need a margin. Bottom margin would be 10 dp. Okay. So in the text view, we'll use a layout margin of 8 dp. So text would be name, or rather use first name. We'll take the first and the last name individually. Font type would be trebuchet, and color would be color heading text. We have that in our color variable, so the color is automatically taken. Now we need size, that would be 18 sp. That's looking quite good. Now we need to define a style which is bold. That's it. Now edit text with match parent, wrap content, int enter your space, enter your name, and color would be this one, and text color would be text. So at color slash color, this one, and when it is done, need to assign a font family of trebuchet and a size of 16 sp. Check if it is too small. No, or we can just increase the size if we need it afterwards. So we need a margin of 8 dp, and when it is done, we'll just copy paste. And here we need to write last name, enter your last name. Now in here I need add the date of birth, so let's change this. Date birth, and here we need to write enter your date birth. That's it. Now we need phone number, phone number is done. Now we need to add a radio group of match parent wrap content. So underneath that radio group, we need a radio button, match parent wrap content with a text of male, and the same one with a female. As you can see here, male and female both are created. Text Now we need to make one of them checked, so I'll make the male checked true. So once you set it to true, the male is checked and the female is not checked. Now the user can select, but by default it is male. Now we need to create a button. So under the radio group, we need a button with wrap content and wrap content, background, button, ripple, text of submit. See where it is. Yes. So we need a margin top. Margin top would be 20 dp and margin bottom would be 20 dp. Okay, now I need a layout gravity of center so that the button comes to center and not somewhere else. This is looking quite good, not bad. And I've used scroll view because in smaller screens the user can scroll up and down. It doesn't go below the screen, it doesn't create an error. So that is it for the design. Now we can also implement a profile picture over here, but we'll not implement it now. We'll use that from the navigation drawer itself. So let's open Firebase. Select informative app or the app name that you have given. Now we'll go to database, create database, start in locked mode, that is okay. So enable. Now we can add collections, but before that we need to select the real-time database from the upward tab. So select real-time database. So our real-time database has loaded. Now we need to set the rules. For startups, I'll just set the rules to public. So right here true and true. That's it. Now publish. You can also see the rules in the documentation, so you can use go to docs and Android. So under real-time database here, then you need to select security and rules, then you need to select get started. So just scroll down and you can see the default rule is read equal to false, write equal to false, but I need to use the public rules, so read equal to true and write equal to true, and I have done the same in here also, and I have published. So my database is open to anyone to read and write. There are no rules, and for the startups I need to use the public rules only, so that it is easy for you to grasp the whole thing and learn the whole thing. I have set up my activity to take inputs from the user, where there is first name, last name, date of birth, phone number and gender. Now these are the things I need from the user, and I have also set up my database over here. So the data that you upload will be provided in here underneath the informative app. So that is it. Now in the next video we will start coding this activity and we'll learn how to upload the user data to the database and also fetch from the database. So this will be published in 3 to 4 parts rather. I'll make it short and very simple and straight. So before ending this video, If you have learned something from this video, like it, and please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification icon, and also share this video as lot as possible. So thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.